Hey guys, today we are reviewing the Latte milk frother. This is the perfect addition for anybody who's a coffee lover like myself. You can turn coffee creations into pretty little things in no time flat. First of all, look how cool the color is on this thing. I feel like with all the color ranges, you can definitely find something that matches your kitchen vibe. It comes in this little stand that it sets on. As soon as you're done with it, you just put it in there. And it is so simple and easy to use. You can create a latte in no time, or foamy chocolate milk, whatever you're wanting to use at home. It has a button on the top, very easy to use. As you can hear, it turns it on, gives everything a good stir, and there's a little compartment in the back right here for you to change out the battery. Super convenient, easy to use, easy to clean. What are you waiting for? This is like one of the #1 kitchen gadgets that you should have. I love mine. It's perfect for a gift for those coffee connoisseurs in your life. Be sure to check this out and pick up a few different colors for yourself while you're there.